Oye wakobecha ukoko isesu urobo tutor welcome you. Wakobecha uderi Jesu, which means you are welcome in the name of Jesus. Around the house, some item you will need to know in everyday conversation. Ota word, unwewi house, eche door, ukpe bed, ochuyori pillow, ugwojo clock, usiare key, uko cup, omoze or osete plate, ukujere spoon, ipoto, evu unwewi inside the house. Where unwewi, are you at home? Where unwewi, where are you at your house? Wose rieche na keve, can you open the door for me? Tivo ukbe wewa, where is your bed? I will read the Robo word, then you will translate the English to yourself. Unwewi, eche, ukbe, ochuyori, ugwojo, usiare, uko, omoze or osete, ukujere, ipoto, evu unwewi. Where unwewi, where? Wose rieche na kewe. Tivo ukwe wewa. Wado, rekamno wasefa. We are going to see you next time.